And here we are. This is the final product right here. And this is how it came out. Like I say, we got the glass table. We did too high with everything, and had the glass cut to fit. I've seen people do it a number of different ways, and we found this to be the simplest way, just to get you some glass and do the glass top. As you can see, the pillows are extra big, 40 by 48, which we had these custom made, and we actually bought the just bought the throw pillows from the store. But this is the finished product. We get a lot of compliments on it. Everybody seems to like it. I built it, so it's hard for me to kind of appreciate how it looks. Like I say, we get a lot of compliments. A lot of stuff I do, people will say, oh, it looks good or looks great, but I guess by me doing the work, I can't really tell. Love to hear from you guys, see what you guys think. Any questions, you can, like I say, you can just email me at this link, my YouTube page, or my actual email is cffunmjg@gmail.com. Check my email daily. Give you guys a side view shot. Give you guys a side view shot. Give you guys another shot.